Household small dehumidifier, using aviation material, vortex spiral duct design, large capacity, easy to move, suitable for living room, bedroom, office, wardrobe, basement, warehouse. 60L Daily Dehumidification, Rapid Dehumidification, repel the moisture, straight to dry. Dehumidification and purification are combined into one, breathing fresh air and quickly evaporating excess air. Child lock function, avoid the safety hazard caused by improper baby touch, can be used with confidence. Adjustable wind speed, 2 gears adjustable to meet different humidity needs. 8.5L large capacity water tank, no need to frequently pour water, water is full, stop using.